Parsley or garden parsley is a species of Petroselinum in the family Apiaceae, native to the central Mediterranean region, naturalized elsewhere in Europe, and widely cultivated as a herb, a spice, and a vegetable. Where it grows as a biennial, in the first year, it forms a rosette of tripinnate leaves 10 euro 25 cm long with numerous 1 euro 3 cm leaflets, and a taproot used as a food store over the winter. Parsley is widely used in Middle Eastern, European, and American cooking. Curly leaf parsley is often used as a garnish. In Central and Eastern Europe and in Western Asia, many dishes are served with fresh green chopped parsley sprinkled on top. Root parsley is very common in Central and Eastern European cuisines, where it is used as a snack or a vegetable in many soups, stews, and casseroles. Etymology: the word parsley is a merger of the Old English Petersilly and the Old French Paressel, both derived from medieval Latin Petroselinum, from Latin Petroselinum, the Latinization of the Greek I florin I to the first I1/2, rock parsley, from I plus or minus, rock, stone, plus I florin I to the first I1/2, parsley. Description: garden parsley is a bright green, biennial, plant in temperate climates, or an annual herb in subtropical and tropical areas. Where it grows as a biennial, in the first year, it forms a rosette of tripinnate leaves 10 euro 25 cm long with numerous 1 euro 3 cm leaflets, and a taproot used as a food store over the winter. In the second year, it grows a flowering stem to 75 cm tall with sparser leaves and flat-topped 3 euro 10 cm diameter umbels with numerous 2 in diameter yellow to yellowish-green flowers. The seeds are ovoid, 2 euro 3 long, with prominent style remnants at the apex. One of the compounds of the essential oil is apial. The plant normally dies after seed maturation. Cultivation: parsley grows best in moist, well-drained soil, with full sun. It grows best between 22 euro 30 degrees Celsius, and usually is grown from seed. Germination is slow, taking 4 to 6 weeks, and it often is difficult because of furanocoumarins in its seed coat. Typically, plants grown for the leaf crop are spaced 10 cm apart, while those grown as a root crop are spaced 20 cm apart to allow for the root development. Parsley attracts several species of wildlife. Some swallowtail butterflies use parsley as a host plant for their larvae. Their caterpillars are black and green striped with yellow dots, and will feed on parsley for 2 weeks before turning into butterflies. Bees and other nectar-feeding insects also visit the flowers. Birds such as the goldfinch feed on the seeds. Cultivars. In cultivation, parsley is subdivided into several cultivar groups, depending on the form of the plant, which is related to its end use. Often these are treated as botanical varieties, but they are cultivated selections, not of natural botanical origin. Leaf parsley: the two main groups of parsley used as herbs are curly leaf and Italian, or flat leaf. Of these, the Neapolitanum group more closely resembles the natural wild species. Flat-leaved parsley is preferred by some gardeners as it is easier to cultivate, being more tolerant of both rain and sunshine, and has a stronger flavor, while curly leaf parsley is preferred by others because of its more decorative appearance in garnishing. A third type, sometimes grown in southern Italy, has thick leaf stems resembling celery. Root parsley. Another type of parsley is grown as a root vegetable, the Hamburg root parsley. This type of parsley produces much thicker roots than types cultivated for their leaves. Although seldom used in Britain and the United States, root parsley is common in Central and Eastern European cuisine, where it is used in soups and stews, or simply eaten raw, as a snack. Although root parsley looks similar to the parsnip, its taste is quite different from it. Parsnips are among the closest relatives of parsley in the family Apiaceae. A similarity of the name of parsnips to turnip is a folk misattribution, parsnip meaning forked turnip. It is not closely related to real turnips biologically. Culinary use. Parsley is widely used in Middle Eastern, European, and American cooking. Curly leaf parsley is used often as a garnish. In Central and Eastern Europe and in Western Asia, many dishes are served with fresh green, chopped parsley sprinkled on top. Green parsley is used frequently as a garnish on potato dishes, on rice dishes, on fish, fried chicken, lamb, goose, and steaks, as well in meat or vegetable stews. In Southern and Central Europe, parsley is part of bouquet garni, a bundle of fresh herbs used as an ingredient in stocks, soups, and sauces. Freshly chopped green parsley is used as a topping for soup such as chicken soup, green salads, or salads such as salade olivier, and on open sandwiches with cold cuts or parsentar. Copyright S. Parsley is a key ingredient in several Middle Eastern salads such as tabbouleh. Persillade is a mixture of chopped garlic and chopped parsley in French cuisine. Gremolata, a mixture of parsley, garlic, and lemon zest, is a traditional accompaniment to the Italian veal stew, osso buco alla Milanese. Parsley is the main ingredient in Italian salsa verde, which is a mixed condiment of parsley, capers, anchovies, garlic, and bread soaked in vinegar. It is an Italian custom to serve it with bollito pasta or fish. Root parsley is very common in Central and Eastern European cuisines, where it is used as a snack or a vegetable in many soups, stews, and casseroles. In England, parsley sauce is a roux-based sauce, commonly served over fish or gammon. In Serbia it is used as an ingredient for broth. Health benefits and precautions. Parsley is a source of flavonoid and antioxidants, apigenin, folic acid, vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Half a tablespoon of dried parsley contains about 6.0 AA microgram of lycopene and 10.7 AA microgram of alpha-carotene as well as 82.9 AA microgram of lutein plus zeaxanthin and 80.7 AA microgram of beta-carotene. Excessive consumption of parsley should be avoided by pregnant women. It is safe in normal food quantities, but large amounts may have uterotonic effects. Gallery. See also, List of culinary herbs and spices, List of culinary vegetables, List of plants with edible leaves, Apium virus Y, references. Chisholm, Hugh, ed. Parsley. Encyclopædia Britannica. Cambridge University Press. External links